Let's go.
Oh wow. I can't believe that our friends just buy me a one corn dog for lunch. Oh well, I will just have to put a freezer, then I will put the corn dogs in microwave.
Oh great. There it is. There is the microwave that I found in the kitchen. And now, I'm going to blow up the microwave by using a bomb. And what I've got here is the bomb that I found in the basement. So I'm going to put in the microwave and then blow it up. Ha 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 ha. Okay, now I'm going to set the timer. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Now time to get out of here before I get caught.
Okay, now that corn dog is ready. Time to put them in the microwave. Oh my god. What is that Morris who blows up the microwave? Well, I need to have a talk with Morris. Morris, can you please come over here? This is very serious.
What is it, Meagan? Is there something wrong?
Well, Morris, I saw that you blow up the microwave by using the bomb. Why did you do that, huh?
Well, because I hate the microwave, and it is broken. So that's why I have to blow up the microwave.
Well, Morris, you did mean to blow up the microwave. You know that microwave costs like $45,000.
Yeah, I agree what they said. So now you may go home and tell your sister about this. Now go home right now, and your sister will not happy about it.
Morris, I have been worried sick about you, but you are grounded for 5 days for blowing up the microwave at Cosmic Cult's house. Go to your room.